Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, please think about giving me a sub. If you're a returning viewer, it's good to have you back and thank you for the support. We've got a good one. I came in from work less than half an hour ago, ready to film the shave. I had the shave all ready and then there was a box on the table and here it is, guys. A week late, but here it is, look. We're going to be shaving with PAA Droid. That's an homage, a take, whatever you want to call it, on Droid Black. And I got the matching splash as well. I've done what everybody's done. I've had the lid off this and the lid off that, and I've had a sniff. And they are. There's absolutely no doubt that they're almost one and the same. And I say almost because I think Doug's improved it. When I first got that, I wasn't blown away with that, and I gave it away. And when my son gave it me back, and he sat in his windowsill in the sun for a year, and he gave it me back, that was all that was left. It smells different to what it did when I first gave it to him, and it smells absolutely beautiful now. But it doesn't smell as nice as this. They're the same. The best way I can describe it is, to me, that is that and then some. It's like a beefed up, sweeter. It's definitely sweeter. I like sweet scents and so on. It's a sweeter, more beefed up version of that to my nose. And that's what we're going to be shaving with today. The brush, did you see it in the thumbnail? I wonder how it come out. Right, that's a collaboration between Doug over there at PAA and myself. When I say a collaboration, I mean he sent me a sticker and I had to cut that off the bottom to fit. I've got a mirror with all PA stickers and postcards and stuff, and the only space left it would fit was that, and I had to cut that little droid off there, off the bottom, so it would sit in the, it would stick on the bottom of the mirror. And there you go. I couldn't bring myself to throw it away. It's going to come off during the shave, but I thought it'd make an interesting thumbnail. So we'll put that into soap. That's it. 26mm peregrino. It's 26, isn't it? Dad brain. I'm tired, guys. Literally just come straight in from work. Everything was all ready, and what I had to do is I had to refilm the thumbnail. And as you've seen, the razor for today. Whoa! I couldn't think of a creature noise. That's like the creature from the, or is it swamp creature, or the creature from the Black Lagoon? Something. Either way, looks like my old headmistress. And we're going to balm up with a bit of after. This actually lends itself quite well scent-wise to that droid. And the blade we're going to be sticking in that razor. We're going to put a laser blade in him today. And that's it. So without further ado, we'll crack on. We'll open this. There it is. We'll just put that there. Light, plastic, see-through. It's got, I don't know if you can, I can see, as I stand here now, that is a different colour to what's going on the screen of my phone. This is a much lighter, more fluorescent green than that's picking up. And the speckles and the glitter really pop out. It's a really nice razor. And we will take that off there. There you go. I haven't read the instructions. Right, so what we'll do is we'll pop that on there. I'm not being funny, guys, but if you need instructions on how to put a razor blade in a razor, you shouldn't be anywhere near a razor blade, should you? There you go. Nip it up, nice and tight. Wow. Oh, look at that, guys. Oh my word. Wow. This is going to be fun. There you go. We'll put that in there with that to get a bit of heat in that blade. We'll wet the face and then we'll crack on. I'll show you a bit more of the soap. I got the regular Coke and butter formula. That's what the pour looks like. Absolutely beautiful. Smells, I would put it at 5, which is quite unusual. PA soaps are normally, for me, they're normally up there at 7. But when I got this, guys, I'll tell you now, when I got this, that's the lid. The lid was like that. It was just on loose like that. So maybe when it's shut tight like that and left to stand for a bit, maybe the scent will come up a bit. But yeah, put it at 5. Absolutely beautiful look. They're all Doug and France soaps. Aren't they all good looking soaps? Absolutely. You could get a spoon and eat it, couldn't you? So we'll wet the face. Oh, how is everybody doing? How's your week going so far? We're at the peak of the week, okay? Here we go with my droid. Oh, guys, I get these little things in my head and I think, go on, have a go. And in my head, it looked fantastic. Oh, did it? It looked cheap and nasty, but hey ho. Right, come on, let's get. I've been looking forward to this. Oh, see, I don't know. I wasn't expecting anything less. Just absolute whipped cream. It's like aftershave scented whipped cream you're putting on your face. That's the best way I can describe it. And Doug and Fran, I always have to stop myself. Keep saying, oh, Doug this and Doug that, but they're a team, aren't they? Doug and Fran always knock it right out of the park. Now, guys, the scent in this, it stays. Actually, it might have just gone up a click, but you can smell it now on your face. There's so many times you get shaving soaps that smell lovely, but when you lather them up, you don't. Well, not with this. You can smell that Floyd. You can. Oh, it's lovely. Absolutely wonderful. A real winner. Absolutely chuffed to bits, Bradley. Was talking to Bradley the other day. He won a brush and he said, as you lot say over there, I'm chuffed to bits. Yeah, chuffed to bits. You're buzzing, Bradley. That's another one. Oh, mate, I was buzzing. I won that brush and I was absolutely buzzing. There you go. Here we go. No glasses today because it's bathroom. We're having an Indian summer, guys. The last days of summer. And the bathroom, this apartment we live in, it's like a furnace. So, maybe I should have done. Maybe I should have with. Yeah, that's good. Nice light blade. I have to be careful. Light blade, light razor. I have to be careful because my beard is so coarse. When I use light razors like this, I tend to press. I have to actually stop myself from pressing. But this is a lovely. That's doing it well. It's very nice. So, please let me know what your shaves of the day are. Please let me know if you've got any PA products or this, if you tried it. What you think of it. Wow, that's angled very well. That got right up under my nose very well then. Yeah. Oh, guys, I ordered this a couple of weeks back, and we got an alert to say your order from PA has arrived and is in London. A week later, the postman knocks on the door today. My wife said he was all proud of himself. He went, there you go. Oh, there you go. Oh, man. But anyway, she just took it and smiled. I've been like an expectant father waiting for this. And now the baby's here, it was well worth it. Okay. typical PA soap. Excellent quality, excellent scent, excellent slickness. Absolutely wonderful. The Saturday, guys, actually Sunday, is Mesothelioma Awareness Day. And as you know, a member of the wet shaving community, Kim Gray, suffers from mesothelioma, a rare and horrible cancer. And it's on the 26th, which is Sunday, is Mesothelioma Awareness Day. And in support of that, the wet shaving community have been asked to do a blue shave. Paint the town blue. Woo! So I'm not doing a shave on Sunday. On the actual day, I will do my Saturday shave. Will be my blue shave in support of mesothelioma awareness. So get your shaves out, guys. Show your support. If you're not a YouTuber, just put it on Instagram. And if you're not on Instagram and you're not on YouTube and you're not on Facebook, get it up on Facebook. If you're not any of those, just use something blue and show solidarity anyway. We know you'll be there with us in spirit. I've got some nice blue stuff, blue products lined up. Yeah, when I finish here, I'm going to have a shower, tidy up the den. Oh, the den's in dire need of a tidy up. And then it will be an early night. Early to bed for me. There's four full-time drivers at the satellite office that I work at. And 2 of them are off. And we are just trying desperately to make up the shortfall. So it's not just like you can get an agency guy in, because some of the jobs I do are very particular, you know, and they have to be covered. So I'm doing my deliveries, and every day doing 2 or 3 of the little jobs that the other guys would do. I'm just trying to keep us treading water, you know, but it's tiring, guys. Anyway, that did okay. That did okay. A nice little razor, that. Here we go. Lather mittens. Get your lather mittens. Woo! Look at that. And I didn't load that for very long, did I? Have a feel about. Yeah, and I say it every time, guys. It's just the usual suspects. Wow, that is so slick. Actually, this razor might well slip out of my hands. Oh, that's it. That's it. That's us. We'll call that good. That soap is superb. Oh, very, very slick. Oh. Oh yes, look at that, very rich, very creamy. And I am very ready. Let's crack this door open a bit. Oh, try and get some air in here. Okay. Look at that, guys. That's a cracking little razor, that. Very, very light and plastic. That would make a good travel razor. That may well be my new travel razor. That's absolute BBS, that. There's not a nick, not a hair, nothing. Okay, so we will go with Droid. Come on, get it on there. Yes. Put that. Oh, welcome. Yeah. It has, it does. I may have said it with a Droid. It's got like what do we call it? Sherbet. Like we used to call it Kayli. It's got like do you know when you get the candies and you can get you used to get pear drops, or you would get strawberries and cream, little hard sweets, and inside they would have a fine flavoured sugar. We used to call it sherbet, and that's what it's like. That's what there's definitely a powdery, sherbety smell to it. Lovely, lovely sweet scent, absolutely wonderful. Well done, Doug and Fran. After that's going to complement it, and the colour matches as well, doesn't it? Absolutely wonderful. Thanks for watching, guys. Please click like and subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Trying to get to the 1,000. Help me get there. Oh, and that's it. That's our shave. Have a wonderful rest of the week. Look after yourself. And remember, as far as it depends upon you, be peaceable with all men. I will see you on Saturday for the Saturday shave. A blue one for Kim. Bye.